Hello, my name is Jack Bannon. I teach band at South Valley Junior High School in Gilbert, Arizona. I created this tutorial to show students how to rename their SmartMusic audio files in Google Drive. The basics of recording and saving a SmartMusic audio file to the Google Drive is explained in an earlier tutorial. Open Google Drive and select Recent from the menu on the left. Then find the file that SmartMusic created automatically for you. Right-click on that file and find Rename in the submenu. You're going to rename everything in front of where it says .wav. First, the name of the song, then an underscore. The name of your instrument, and an underscore. If your instrument has a first, second, or third part, put the number 1, number 2, or number 3. If there is no separate parts, just put a 0, then an underscore, your last name, underscore, your first name, and hit OK. You'll see that the file is now renamed. This is the file that you will attach when submitting your homework assignment through Google Classroom. That's it for this tutorial. I hope it helped.